Process of trademark objection reply. When an objection is raised, the status is marked as objected by registry. The following steps are involved to file a response to the trademark objection. Step 1. Analyzing trademark objection. The first step is to understand the objection raised by the examiner and reason for such objection and identify under which section it has been objected. Step 2. Drafting of trademark objection reply. To draft a trademark reply, which should include the following. The reply to the trademark objection must contain reasons, facts, with supporting rule of law and judgments, supporting the case and evidence and other supporting documents that validates the response. After affidavit stating the usage of trademark in the applicant's website and social media network, advertisement, availability of trademark products on e-commerce sites, etc., along with the documentary proof for the same. The reply to the objected mark will be saved from being abandoned or rejected and be considered for further processing. Step 3. Trademark hearing. In case the response is accepted and considered, objection can be waived on the basis of the applicant's response, and then registry will allow for the trademark application to be advertised. Before registration in the trademark journal or registry may require additional clarifications, and there would be a trademark show cause hearing schedule and the same will be notified with the notice. Step 4. Publication in trademark journal. After appearing in the hearing, if the outcome at the hearing is positive, the mark will be accepted and will be ordered to be published in the trademark journal. In case there is a negative outcome at the hearing, the refusal order will be passed by the registry along with the stating the reason for such refusal. But the applicant still will have the option to file an appeal for the order passed by registry with filing a review petition within 30 days from the date of the refusal order with facts and grounds on which the order must be reviewed. Step 5. Registration. An accepted application is published in Trademark Journal for a period of 4 months. If there is no third-party oppositions who has the issue with the trademark filed within the period, then trademark will be proceed towards registration and the registration certification is issued by the registry. In case opposition is filed by any person who has the issue with the applied trademark, then opposition proceedings will take place as per the prescribed rules of the law. Our team will help you in company or LLP registration, GST, taxation services, trademark and other IPR services, auditing and assurance, accountancy, corporate advisory services, and all kind of regulatory and departmental approvals. For more information, contact us at 7566 77766 or 9131920764. Email info@sonamgeda.com. Visit our website www.sonamgeda.com.